Alright guys, so I wanted to show how to set up your Ninjatrader and your Rithmic and get it all working, because I get a lot of questions about it, so I just want to put a video out there so we can do that. First step is sign into your dashboard on Bulenox or any different platform, and then they're going to give you a free Ninjatrader license key. So you're just going to take this, copy, then you're going to go over to your Ninjatrader, and then you click here. Wrong one. And you click help, and you click on license key, delete the one that's in there, and push paste, and push OK. And then it'll say Ninjatrader is currently in simulation mode and prevent the placement modification, cancellation of orders, residing live accounts, blah, blah, blah. It's just saying that while you have simulation mode on, it's not going to place orders for you. So then you come over to tools and see how that's checked. You need to uncheck that and make sure it's off. All right, next step, you're going to sign into your Bulenox account. All right, now that we have the license key in there, you're going to have our connections. You're going to push configure. Then you're going to click on Rithmic for Ninjatrader brokerage. Click that. You're going to push add. And go ahead and change the name to whatever platform you're, whatever company you're getting funding with. We'll just, for the sake of it, put Bulenox. That way you'll know it's that one. I do not like it to connect on startup. It slows me down. Then you'll put your username and your password. Where do you get your username and password? You go over to, you log in to your Bulenox account or whatever platform, or in the welcome email, they will send you your Rithmic account, username, and password. So then you'll put those into here. Plugin mode for market data. You're going to want to push that. All right, I'm going to pause and go ahead and put my information. All right. And then once you have your username and your password in there, you push plugin for market data. And then you push OK. All right, step one done. So now, hopefully you've downloaded Rithmic Trader Pro. Click on that. So then you'll put your, it's better to copy and paste the stuff in here. You put it in there. Put your username in both ends. Then copy and paste your password both ends. This needs to, the system needs to be set on Rithmic paper trading. Rithmic paper trading. And then username goes there, password. Copy and paste it. Now you can't copy and paste from here because it doesn't let you get your password, but you copy and paste from the welcome email or the dashboard. Alright, so you copy and paste, make sure Rithmic Trader paper trading is on, Rithmic paper trading is on, and then whichever gateway you're closest to. For me, I'm on the west coast of America, it's going to be Chicago. Alright, so allow plugins is off, but if you look here, plugin mode for market data, that's on. I'm not really sure what it does. I just have always clicked it. So push select. Aggregated quotes. I'm not really sure what that is. I just leave it off. So now that you have it saved, then push remember me. So that way it remembers you. So you don't have to do this every time. So you push login. Alright, now you're connected to Rithmic. And then you just push OK. I'm going to delete this one because I deleted everything so I could do this with you guys. Alright. Now you push OK. And you're going to come up here. Whenever you want to connect, so you have like Uprofit, Save, Apex, Elite Trader, Lilo. So you just kaboom. And once this turns green, you just come up here, ES323. It automatically rolls it. I have settings saved. But then let's go 15-minute. And then let's say you don't have any of these saved up here like I do. You can go to futures. And you click down until you find ES or NQ. You can trade any of these that are in here. These are all CME products. You don't want to go to indexes or Forex or any of these, just a future section. And you'll click on ES, and then once you're done, it's going to pop up here. Then if you don't have a layout saved like I do, but I have one saved, so I just click it. And then once you have a layout saved, it has all your settings in there you like. So that's like based off the last price, minute, 5 minute, days to load. You want to like have 2 or 1 days to load. The more days you have loaded, the slower Ninja's going to go. Don't overload it with indicators. It's just going to slow it down. Bar width. Most of this comes standard. Center price. Auto scale, I have it clicked. Display. Scale justification. There's a million different things you guys can do. And then voila. So now this is my pre-saved chart. We can look at my the way I have it set up here. Properties. Let's make this a little bigger. Alright, so I have inputted. We'll just go through on what I have, and like this is the best settings I found for me. You have bar spacing, I have that checked. Right side margin 8. Chart trader, you're gonna want that on. And then it's just coloring. And push OK. And then let's go up here. So properties. It's the same thing. Alright. Maybe it's this one. Data series. Yeah, there we go. Alright. So right now it's on the 5 minute chart. 2 days to load. Bar width is 4 candlesticks. You can change the color of your bars right here. The name. I leave the auto scale off. Center price on scale. Alright, I hope this helped you guys figure it all out. I know it can be pretty confusing trying to get it to all work, so I hope this helped you guys.